Want to build a chatbot that actually helps your customers and grows your business? Let me show you the 5 simple steps to get it right. Step 1. Understand your audience. Before you dive into any fancy tools, get to know the real people you'll be talking to. Dig into chat logs, run a quick survey, or peek at your website analytics to spot the questions people ask most, the words they use, and where they get stuck. The better you know your customers, the smarter your bot will feel. Step 2. Define your chatbot's purpose. Is your bot booking appointments, answering FAQs, grabbing new leads? Don't try to make it do everything at once. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 jobs your customers actually need, and match the bot's tone to your brand: friendly, professional, quirky, whatever fits you best. Don't forget, your bot works 24/7, so make sure it's always on point. Step 3. Pick your platform and build. There are tons of no-code options like Tidio, Chatfuel, and Landbot that make the tech side way less scary. Use what you learned in Step 1 to shape your bot's flow. Plug in questions, set up responses, and connect to other tools if needed. If you're unsure, start simple. Step 4. Test and improve. Never launch your chatbot blind. Test it with real people, friends, team members, or even a few trusted customers. Watch where users get confused or drop off and tweak those spots. Sometimes a simple button or a new phrase can make all the difference. And always set up a way for people to reach a human if they need it. Step 5. Launch and monitor. Deploy your chatbot on your website, Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp, wherever your customers hang out. After that, keep an eye on the data. See who's chatting, what they're asking, and how many leads you're getting. Use these insights to update your bot regularly and keep it sharp. Congrats! You've just built a chatbot that's purposeful, polished, and effective. Want my script and flow template? Grab it in the description and hit subscribe for more automation tips.